Hi guys, my name is Dr. Chelle. Welcome to my YouTube channel to help you be the very best that you can be on the PSAT, SAT math using the Desmos calculator. So I just want to give you a 2-minute overview of how you use this. So you've already downloaded Bluebook app, you've already connected your College Board work to Khan Academy, and Khan Academy will give you a screen similar to this. I'm in teacher view, but I've pulled up one of my students. So what we can see if we dive deep into the problem solving and data analysis is this student has a lot of dark purples. Dark purples means you've mastered it. So if you have tons of time, you can look at those topics at the end. What you really need to focus on are the ones that have the dark orange and the light orange, because those are the topics you have yet to master. So I'm going to click View Exercise, and that's going to take us over to this, which is Data Inferences. Now, once she's there, she knows this is what she needs to work on, but I don't want her working on it yet. I want her to notice, just like you, that this is Unit 3, Lesson 9. So she's going to go to the YouTube channel, she'll scroll down to Unit 3 playlists, and she'll watch the 2 videos that relate to Lesson 9. There'll be a Unit 3 Lesson 9 easier and a Unit 3 Lesson 9 harder. Now, while she is doing this, she will have her screen ideally split, or she'll have YouTube on her phone and she's using her computer to use Desmos. Why? Because you need to practice using Desmos. Don't forget, when you open up the Desmos calculator, when you go to Math Tools, you want to pick Test Practice or use the links underneath the videos, but you must go to Choose Assessment College Board. If you don't do that, it won't work. So now she's opened the Desmos calculator, she's watched the videos and followed along with Desmos. If she bought the book for $14.95 on Amazon that has just the questions and no explanations that follow along, she's written her notes there. And then after she's done that, she's going to go back to Khan Academy and do these foundations questions. She definitely can watch Sal Khan's videos here. They don't focus on the calculator, but they cover the topics. She could also go here and read through the lesson. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Summary: Bluebook. College Board connects to Khan Academy. Khan Academy tells you your strengths and your weaknesses, and you will focus only on the dark orange and the light orange first. After all the dark orange and light orange go away, by you watching my Desmos calculator videos and the Khan stuff, then you can focus on the light purple and dark purple. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.